Incredibly Loud Noise, written by Linda Johnson. I've had one last conversation without making a sound. I'm done chasing a love that doesn't want to be found. This silence speaks in volumes to the words you couldn't say. Afraid to hurt my feelings, so you kept your heart at bay. You stopped seeing me, needing, wanting, craving my scent, my kiss. I stopped asking for those necessities to keep love thriving in immeasurable bliss. Deep conversations of pure silence, no hug, no touch, the stillness. 5 years of loving you and you me, and this is as good as it gets. I am struggling on how to let go. Is it my fear of being alone? Somewhere along the line, I fucked up, and we couldn't let go, move on. Here I sit thinking of you, the you I was able to make smile, the you I enjoyed being around, the you that took me walking my first mile. I know you still love me, but your silence makes me feel otherwise. And it's because I love you that my broken heart I can no longer disguise. The last time I saw you, I was hoping to hear your laughter, see joy, but all I heard from the silence you spoke was an incredibly loud noise. End poem.